Good morning.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Naufal. I'm 14 years old. I'm from SMP 1 Karawang Timur. I'm a scout and currently Garuda Scout candidate.
Okay, great, Naufal. Now, I want to ask you some questions. And first one is, why do you want to become a Garuda Scout?
I want to be a Garuda Scout because I enjoy helping people and doing community service. I feel proud when I can contribute.
That's a good reason. Now, what values do you think a Garuda Scout should have?
A Garuda Scout must be responsible, helpful, polite, and always ready to serve.
Excellent, Naufal. Now, what is one achievement do you proud of?
I helped organize a first aid training for my troop and taught younger members how to treat simple wounds.
Wow, that's very useful, right? Now, how do you apply the Scout values in your daily life?
I help my neighbors carry things, take care of my little brother, and always clean up after myself.
Wow, that's very great, Naufal. And last question, what do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a firefighter because I want to protect and save people in danger.
Oh, that's a great dream. Keep learning and working hard. Good luck for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.